Hello guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos. For the new subscribers, welcome. For the OG, I love you so much. Thank you so much and keep sharing my videos and your comments guys. I love you so much. I always read comments, okay? I love comments because you know what? When you read comments, they encourage you, they motivate you so that you know what kind of content you are making. So guys, today's video, I'm gonna give you another update of our pears trees. Look at this. These pears compared to the video that I posted last week, you can see the difference guys. I want you to know how pears are growing here. Guys, for those ones who don't know me, my name is Sumoto Lifestyle. I have two trees of pears in my backyard. One pear tree is right here and another pear tree is over here. This is my second pear tree. I call this my baby bear tree. So I have this tree, a pear tree here. Actually, we have grown these pear trees over 5 years now. And we've been eating so much pears, a lot of pears here guys. We've been sharing with everybody here in the US guys. Oh well, I need to introduce myself so well so y'all can see. Hey, my name is Umoto Lifestyle. I am from East Africa, Kenya, but now I live here in the US and I make content about my lifestyle. Because I know most of you guys, so many of you have been asking me questions about coming to the US and what really people do here. And so many people are interested to see how people in America live. What do they do there? Do they farm? Hey, we do farm. Look, we have pears. I am a girl from the village, deep in the forest village, somewhere in East Africa, which I will be taking you very soon. But I just wanted to bring you here so that at least you can see my other life, that I have made another life here in the US, that you can take someone from the village, but you cannot take the village out of a girl, because I always gonna find somewhere to plant. I always gonna find something to eat. I love organic. So these pears, guys, this is the stage they are right now, and in about by June we'll start eating these pears, guys. But I just wanted to give you a little bit, you know, how the different kind of stage that they are in. Right now you can see they are balling right here. They have these little balls here. These are pears, and I see a lot of them coming here. And another difference I see, they added so much leaves, so many leaves, which were not there before. And wait a little bit, guys. Let me show you my neighbor's pears. Here. Remember, I told you before, this is my neighbor's pear tree right there. It's a different kind of a pear tree because their pears are so little, so tiny, but they're so sweet over there. But they already started as well, but mine started a little bit early, so mine will be ready by June, but this one will be a little bit delayed, maybe by July. They'll be ready for my neighbors to start eating as well. So we grow pears here in America, guys. The sun is shining on my face. That's why I'm wearing my shades, because it's affecting my eyes, so I'd rather wear them. Guys, another thing I wanted to show you is my garden. The garden is still doing well. The spring onions, guys, this is the moment. Look at these spring onions. Look how healthy they are. So healthy. And of course the spinach is coming up here, the spinach. And I can see some carrots coming up here. Something at least is coming up by, you remember they take 3 months. I see something, some beans coming up. I did not plant beans, but I can see beans coming up. So our little garden, our backyard small garden, is doing so well. So guys, I'm here to encourage you. If you have somewhere that you can plant organic, go ahead and plant organic, because it's very expensive right now in the US. Whenever you go to the store, you want to buy food, seriously, it's breaking your bank. Like, you're literally buying kales and you spending a lot of money. You're buying a little bit of tomato, you put kales there and a little bit of something, and about $200 or something and above, and you can't feed 4 people. So it's really pricey over here. Guys, I'm gonna turn my camera so I can show you my trees from here. I love these cypress trees. Give me a second, or maybe I can just turn around. Let me just walk here so that the sun is not here, but bear with me because I wanted to show you. This is my backyard right here, but I wanted to show you these cypress trees. Guys, so look at those trees. They really look amazing from here. Look at them. I love them. I love those trees. Those trees are in my front yard. Right there, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6 trees over there. But they look so good. Look at them. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah. So today's video, I just wanted to give you a little bit tour of my backyard. This is how my backyard looks like. Right here, because it's the corner. Those are the AC right there. Oh gosh. And I have my little stove here. I think now the weather is becoming good. Soon we'll start making cooking here. Guys, I love cooking outside, you know that. So this is my little stove that we made here. And very soon we will start cooking outdoor. I love cooking outdoor. I cannot wait, guys, to give you outdoor cooking. And as you can see, my grass is coming up really well. It's coming up really well. So, and of course, I love sitting here on my swing set, especially today when the sun is really good. I can hear people mowing their yard. People are doing the best they can when the weather is good. It's rainy. It's raining even now. Last night, 2 days it's been raining like crazy, but thankfully the sun is up and we can be able to sit out here and swing and swing and swing. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Share this channel because this channel is authentic and this channel is showing you everything about just a typical African American girl live in America trying to survive from the village. Okay, so we are trying to survive here. So that is basically what I'm showing you, my morning, you know, how it is. Today's Saturday, by the way. I should be in church, but I'm here vlogging. So guys, make sure you comment. Let me know what you do on your Saturday. Where do you go? What do you eat? And where are you watching me from, guys? Make sure you comment below. Let me know where you're always watching me from, okay? And I'm here waiting for your sweet comments. And share my channel with your family members, your friends, your co-workers. Everybody needs to